today we're trying out this for him.
New bone. Chew toy and it's a treat all in one. So let's see how much he likes it. Now throw it though. You gotta grab it and throw it.
And he said, go ahead.
What do you think? Does he like it?
Yeah.
Let's see how he likes it if we try to take it away from him. Whoa! He may not let us. Nope, he's going.
Good try. I try harder.
Okay, go try to catch him.
But Dad, at least you can't catch him.
It's a lot harder.
Yeah, look at the mud.
We got him trapped in the corner at least. Can you get it? Pull hard, pull hard, pull hard. There you go. Now run over here and let's throw it. Say, come on, say, come get it. Come on, come get it, Phil. Oh, maybe get closer so we can see.
Where does he think he's going?
Show it to him close and make him chase you.
Ready? Go get it. See, now he's... Good job. It's a new toy.
Now see if you can catch him.
Can you tell him drop it, or is he just having fun?
I think he doesn't want us to take it from him again. Oh, he'll take it. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. He also wears out fast. He'll have to stop before long.
Does he?
He does wear out fast. He gets bursts of energy and then he like poops out. Come here. Oh. Let's go. We're gonna have to corner him.
Can you jump it?
Oh yeah, he wore out.
Good dog.
What else? I got it.
Okay, all right. So you want it? Go get it.
Oh, he's going to like this.
Yep.
Let's get him, Dad.
Let's get him. Oh, I got him. Come here. Oh. Here, let's corner him up here.
Now I trapped him, okay?
Hey, okay, come here. Oh, almost. You got it. Whoa. Come here. Oh, my turn to throw it. You ready?
Okay.
Go get it. Whoa, he is fast for having such short legs. If we ever want to wear him out, this is what we do.
Can you drop it? Drop it? Oh, thank you. You're tired, huh?
Yep, I think he's wore out.
Do you want to have
Okay,
a
one more turn.
What?
You want to have a turn?
Thank you.
Give it a good throw.
Get it. Good dog. Good dog.